Hey everybody, this is Chris, and I'm just doing a little intro here and popping back into YouTube after being off for over 2 months. A little intro with the Fimi X8 Mini, introducing this to my channel and just updating you guys on some content that is up and coming with this guy. So what am I going to focus on with this quad? I will definitely be focusing on the camera and the gimbal, and of course flight stability and things like that. So we'll discuss that a little more, but I'm also going to also focus on batteries because Fimi was nice enough to send me a pro battery. So I have the standard battery and I have the pro battery, and we'll discuss those briefly as well. But upcoming videos are going to be batteries, flight time, stuff like that, flight stability, camera quality, and gimbal tilt. So these are all issues. Those last two are the issues that plague the Fimi. So like I said, I've been away for over 2 months. I've had this for about a month and a half. Thanks to Chad B. He sent it to me. He's done with it. So he sent it to me, and like I said, Fimi was nice enough to reach out and say, hey, you want a battery? I said, yes, absolutely. I'll take a battery. I guess because of all my live events, they thought I had it, but I didn't at the time. So I got the battery. So when I return it to Chad, he'll get a little bonus battery. And I think I'm going to buy a case as well. And then hopefully that will be a good incentive for a buyer to come along and buy it, because I don't think Chad wants it back. But anyhow, what we're going to do with the batteries is we'll do flight time, and there's no real big difference between the flight time. As far as the advertised flight time, it's only 1 minute. They advertise 30 minutes and 31 minutes. So you have the Pro battery being the lighter battery, that's the LiPo, and then we have the heavier standard battery. Both giving about the same flight time, and you would think the heavier one would give you lesser flight time, but it has a higher milliamp hour rating. The lighter one has a lesser milliamp hour rating. So they kind of balance out, and they give you about the same flight time. There's absolutely no benefit there whatsoever, other than giving you a lighter sub 250 gram quad, which is what this thing advertised from the very start. So technically, if we want to really get technical, they've been falsely advertising this thing from the start, because it's 258 grams in pre-order and all your following orders with the standard battery. So with the Pro battery, it puts it at 245 grams, and now we can say it is a sub 250 gram quad, and it is now able to enter the ring and be a contender with the up-and-coming Hubsan Xeno Mini Pro, the Hubsan Xeno Mini SE, and then all our DJI Minis, which now we have an SE, a DJI Mini SE. So I'll go ahead and say it's safe to say, based on what we already know about this, and if you don't know, I'll discuss it real quick. What we already know about this, it's not a contender for DJI. Most things just aren't. It might have some different features that DJI doesn't have, and then other quads usually don't have any issues with geofencing like DJI has. So those are the type of perks that kind of lean people towards these other quads, but they're never DJI killers. Not even the Evo 2 Pro. It's just not. Nothing hurts DJI. It is nice to see competition though. And it's even nicer when that competition comes real close. And I'm not sure this has done it. And that's what we're going to talk about. So upcoming videos are going to focus on the gimbal tilt issue. It's got that gimbal tilt issue. It's not as bad. Not everybody has it for whatever reason that is. And you know, just like my Fimi X8 SE 2020, it doesn't have it. Many others do. Mine has a nice camera image. Many others have the vignette with the bright spot in the center. Mine doesn't. Why that is, I can't tell you. So we're going to focus on the gimbal issue. That's something DJI doesn't give us. This has been a Fimi plagued with this gimbal issue from the 2018 Fimi X8 SE. The other issue is the camera image, and there's a couple issues there. You have the vignette around the edges where it's darker. I don't like that. You can go ahead and blow that up a little bit if you want and get it cropped out of your image in editing. But then you have that bright center. I don't like that either. Not too many people do, I'm sure. And then we have the app. The app just does not give you the large range of camera settings to manually set your image to give yourself a good quality. So that's where I can automatically say this is not really much of a contender with the DJI in those areas, because these are problems that chase the Fimi X8 versions. They've been since the 2018. So what I like to do with my camera, I like to have all the manual settings. I don't do an F-log or anything like that. I like to just manually go and set and focus on, especially with the Fimi, because the Fimi usually does an overexposure of the sky. So I like to do my settings to really make the clouds nicely enhanced. Nice, crisp, enhanced clouds. And then when I do that, that usually darkens up my image down below. And that's actually perfect in editing for me, because I can make a really nice image with 1 or 2 clicks. Adding LUTs or just manually setting some of the color settings or exposures myself. So I like to have all those settings, and in this app we just don't have the settings. Will we ever have it? I don't know. But I really do hope we do, because I can put together some decent video quality if I have those. If you've seen my videos, my latest videos, which were actually last fall with the Fimi X8 SE 2020, I put out some pretty nice quality video. I think it's beautiful quality video for that camera with the quality it originally was giving you. Presets on any of these, don't even go there. Don't even go there. So we'll do some presets, and then we'll do some manual settings, and we'll show you what kind of quality the best I can get from my eye. My eye and your eye are totally different. My screen and your screen are totally different. So what I like, you might not like. Some people like more blue. Some people like more green. I like it to look as real as I can, and a little bit on the darker side. So that's it. That's pretty much all. I just wanted to introduce this to my channel, let you know I do have it. Like I said, it's been over 2 months, so I'm back, I'm here, and I'm alive. So more content to come on this, hopefully in the next couple days and the next few weeks, and then hopefully we'll get into the Hubsan arena with its mini version and play with that and compare it with this. So I'll probably break out the DJI and do some comparisons there. People might want to see that. I don't know if you have that interest or not, but we'll give that a shot maybe as well. So yeah, that's it. Just want to say I'm here, I'm back for now, and thank you all for watching. We'll catch you on the next videos, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe, and as always, hit the bell for future content and notification. And I'll catch you on the next video. Peace and love.